Oh, crap. GoPro, stop recording. Oh man, I just got back from Mission Trails Bike Park. Actually, I spent the night in ER, and turns out that besides a few cuts and scrapes all over my body, I just exited with a busted thumb. But thank God I was wearing a helmet. Man, this thing, it cracked all the way through. Boom. I'm grateful I was wearing this thing. It's just a standard burn helmet, but it did the job. Yeah, that bike park is real rocky. Not the place you want to be eating it. And I've done the jump 100 times or so. It wasn't the jump that got me, it was this berm. And it's like a drop-in berm, and you got to get some speed for like a table and like a little double and a double. And I just hit the berm a little high trying to get a little more speed. And my front tire hit a rock, just slid right out, and boom, over I go, landed on a bed of rocks and scraped up my shoulder pretty good, side, leg, back, everything but my head's okay, thanks to this helmet. So, shout out to Burn Helmets. Doing the job for this old dude.